Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do this story mission for beginner that you can get this awesome LR. So for example, you can get this LR Goku. I show you the LR Goku. It's a must for beginner, this one. You can get some Dragon Stone if you awaken this Goku and make him a 100 hidden potential activation. This is free LR. It's a good LR for beginner to begin this game. So how you can do or how you can get this Goku Awaken? Let's get started and do this Dragon Ball story. So today there are 4 saga here. Tap this Dragon Ball Z saga. Let's wait. This one. New thread, the Saiyan warrior race. Tap. Let's see the information first. So you have to clear 12 stage, and in the 6th stage you have to recruit this Goku, this one. So please, your main mission is clear until stage 12. So you green this guy stage 6 and awaken this Goku until he can be awakened to the LR unit. She's very good unit and you can get Dragon Stone from awaken this guy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.